After a sales demo, you usually need to write notes, draft follow-up emails, and update your CRM. It's important, but also time-consuming. MeetGeek helps you automate the entire process. As soon as the demo ends, MeetGeek sends you an automatic meeting summary. It highlights key discussion points, questions from the client, next steps, and can even be customized to have the exact structure that fits your needs. This way, you don't have to worry about taking notes during the call. You can stay focused on the conversation. Next, MeetGeek can turn that summary into a professional follow-up email. You can ask the AI chat to draft a thank you note, a recap, or a next step email. Instead of spending 15 to 20 minutes writing, you get a clear, ready-to-send draft in seconds. All you need to do is review and send. And finally, MeetGeek connects with your CRM. That means all the call notes, action items, and updates are automatically added to the right deal or contact. No more copying and pasting. Your customer data stays accurate and always up to date. With MeetGeek, follow-ups take care of themselves, so you can spend less time on admin and more time closing deals.